Hi all out there, this is another tutorial about Heekscad, how to make a good toolpath from a part. Something like this here with ZIGZagging, it's not zag, it's only zig, and finishing the profile with CRC. I'm working here with CRC cutter compensation. I don't know if you can see this. Let's see. Just choose EMC2 cutter radius compensation for milling the perfect finish pass. So let's start. File new, get square. We work with 2 on 2. Here we are. Select the sketch, extrude it, -10. Here we are. Go back to the front view, make another. Let's go with 2, 1, 2. Should be good. Okay, mark it. Let's transform, copy, rotate, 3 parts. There we are. Mark the first one. No, mark everything. You can extrude more than one part. Extrude it, -4. Here we are. The first one is the big one. Mark it by the STRG makes you to select the other pieces. Now get Boolean, rid of. Here we are with the part. Only one result left. So let's make a toolpath. Therefore we need another square. Go offset. Let's say 3. Always work square so we can transform this around. Copy, rotate 3 times, 0 point and the plane. Here we are. First sketch, first toolpath, pocket. We work with a 3mm cutter, 1.5 offset, 1mm material allowance because we want to mill it with CRC to finish the contour, the outwards here. ZIGZag, 3, clearance height, safety, keep everything down here, it's okay. Let's show if we get a toolpath. Here you can see the toolpath that is generated. Here is the program that is going to the Python files that actually makes the toolpath. So let's choose the second one, toolpath, ZIGZag, everything is okay normally. Third one, only unidirectional, and the fourth one, only unidirectional. Okay, let's go. Make the toolpath again. Here we are with our finished path. You can normally, if you want, here, let's say, go to the pocket, the last one, and here you can change whatever you want. If you use ZIGZag and hit Gcode, it makes a square path. Or if you go with keep tool down, zigzagging, don't use unidirectional. Here you can go also with that one. No problem at all. We stay with our, don't keep the tool down, make zigzag and make unidirectional. I click the green arrow. There's a green arrow down there. So here we are with our roughing toolpath. Now let's do the finishing toolpath. I select draw line, go here and make only with escape you can finish the drawing. Now the last one is our square. Transform it around as we did before. Here we have our sketches. Start with this one, make a profile toolpath. Here you can see the toolpath. Let's bring it up here. Toolpath is climb right. You can change this and it will generate it to the other side. Let's see here what we got. We should get here. Here G41, that's what we're looking for. It's on the left or on the right side. The toolpath, it will offset from the machine or from the controller. We will see later, just in 1 minute. So it was the third one, this one also. Let's go for that. Third one, go also for that. You could change everything if you want. Okay, so let's go for that. Here's our toolpath. I made a offset here, roll radius here, one more down. Here exceeded beyond the contour here, so it moves outwards and not the radius starts not at the end of the sketch. Okay, here we are with our toolpath. This will do our job. So let's bring this out. Save NC file. Let's save it to the desktop. Name it test test.ngc for EMC2 controlling. Exist replace. Oh, there is one also on the desktop. Now start our CNC. Here we are, EMC controller to see. Let's make this one. I'm from Germany, so I work in millimeters. Here's our machine. Let's start the machine, get a reference point. This is simulation mode. I work everything here now in simulation mode. Open the file, go to desktop. There should now be only one here. Here's our toolpath. So, and now it depends on the offset. Here, if we go down there, go straight down. You see here, it gives you the on sketch numbers, on sketch measurements. So it's now on the tool table. Bring this up here. It's the diameter. I choose now 4. We have only 3 millimeters, so it takes 5/10 off. If I go here to the actually tool diameter 3, right to tool table, close this down, you load the tool table and you load the path. You will see it goes outwards. Yeah, it gets greater. So you can decide on the machine with the tool table control the measurements that the finished path will have. You don't have to make a new tool path. You can, for a bolt in a hole, you can exactly mill what you want. If you go greater with the diameter, it will keep material. If you go below the actual tool diameter, it will take more material away. So finished here. Thank you for hearing me, for watching me, and till the next time.